Good afternoon. You are welcomed by Citadel Watch Company. The Ulysse Nardin Locle watches are previously used men's watches that are in good condition and have been fully serviced for reliable performance. They are made from brass and have a titanium nitride coating, giving them a rugged and stylish appearance. The case size is 51 mm, making them stand out on the wrist. The watch comes with a new elephant leather strap that adds uniqueness and natural aesthetics. They have a mechanical movement without self-winding, which means that they need to be wound regularly to maintain time accuracy. The power reserve is 36 hours, giving enough time before rewinding is required. The Ulysse Nardin Locle watch is designed to display the current time with hour, minute, and second hands. The dial is in good condition and displays the time accurately. They are not water resistant, so it is recommended to avoid contact with water. The watch is made in Switzerland, known for its high quality and craftsmanship in watchmaking. The Ulysse Nardin Locle watch is an elegant and reliable accessory, ideal for watch and style lovers. Good shopping and have a great day.